help me out by saying to the left, to the left. It's okay with you. Okay lang ba? Either to the left or to the right, or a combination of to the left or to the right. Whatever you like to say. Here we go.